Hello and welcome to another program with me, Suhail and
Thank you, Suhail. Hey everybody, you're most welcome here. Please stay with us. This session we're gonna dive into the verb
go, collocations with go.
Of course, collocation with go. The first function is used for
changes in people's, for example, go mad.
Yes. The second function is
About appearance, for example, go gray.
yeah, Suhail, I can see that your
Oh, really?
beard is going gray.
I'm getting old.
Yeah, of course. And the third function of go is
For example, go blind, go deaf.
yes. Sometimes it unfortunately happens that I don't know. Maybe someone is driving a car really fast, not carefully. So it may happen that I don't know, the driver goes blind by accident. Yes.
Be careful. Take care of yourself.
Good. Another functions of go.
It can also be used for sudden.
Usually negative changes. Example.
For example, he was very embarrassed and his face went red. See, suddenly his face went red.
Yeah.
Or another example, Ali.
Yes. Suddenly the sky went very dark and it started to rain.
Oh, it was sudden. See, usually negative.
The last function of go can be also used for
Slower color changes. For example, Ali.
yeah. I can look at this book. The pages of the book had gone yellow over the time. Can you see? This is the last function.
It's an old one, Ali.
Yeah, of course. The last function of using go. Please practice and make a lot of sentences using go, collocation with go.
Put them in the comments below.
Of course. Hope
Will
you
be
enjoyed this program. But before that, don't forget
Like and share this video.
and click on the bell icon for further videos.
Hope you enjoyed today's program and see you next time.
Thanks a million.
Bye.
Bye.